What's up, guys? Today we have a very special game in which only headshots count as hits. That means I will only try to aim and shoot at the head, which is something you should never do in a regular game, because people won't appreciate that. However, today it's allowed and everyone agreed with it, so let's get started. I'm using the SSG-10A3 with the tracer unit so that you can see the glowing BBs in the dark. The power of the rifle has been brought down to the CQB limit of this field, which allows me to shoot in the head at any distance without breaking the rules, which makes this gameplay even more cringy. Enjoy! Right after the start, the enemy team took the middle section of the field, and I believe the red blinking light is Christoph. Let's shoot him in the head. Woohoo! That was a nice one, wouldn't you agree? Let's keep moving. Looks like they are trying to get in, but luckily I'm here to help with some more headshots. At this point I really felt bad for using the sniper rifle at this distance, but keep in mind it's CQB legal, so it's okay. Looks like another guy is trying to sneak in. I got you, bro. As you can see, everyone came prepared with helmets and proper face protection, except, well, me. But anyway, let's keep shooting. Shooting a moving target of the size of a football or / soccer ball for you Americans is not particularly easy, but it can be done. We managed to push them outside the building so we can move up a bit. I kept aiming at this guy for quite some time, but he didn't show me his head, so I decided to try shooting anyway, because reasons, and to my surprise he called a hit anyway. I guess it's just muscle memory. You get hit and you leave, even though today he should technically still be alive, because it was not a headshot, but anyway, that just shows how nice people are. They just call it without thinking about it much. Let's check the other side again. The low power variable scope is great in these situations. I was doing some CQB before, I just turned the knob, and now I'm back to sniping headshots again. Check out NOVRITSCH.com if you are interested.
Bacha, zprava.
They just respawn, so I have to fall back a bit. But there are enemies on the other side too. Let's just wait it out. I think someone's coming. Ouch. At this point I couldn't find anyone, so I circled back with house gamers who also played with me in this headshot only madness. So if you want to check out his video, which is even cooler than mine, link in the description.
Move up, move up! Do you want to, I don't know, maybe go kill some people with me?
Yeah, sure.
Woo, let's go! All the way left? Okay, let's go all the way left.
And finally some pistol action. And this guy again called a hit even though it was not a headshot. Thanks, buddy. Okay guys, that's it. If you like my gear, check out NOVRITSCH.com. See you in the next one. Bye bye.